Hello and welcome back to the Crypto Moses channel. Finally back in the office. So today we're going to talk in detail about XRP, one of the most talked about cryptocurrencies right now, as we all know. And you guys, there's a multi-trillion-dollar opportunity on the horizon that could hopefully send XRP to these new all-time highs that I've been craving. Now, here's what I think. With institutional adoption heating up, there's a possible ETF that is on the way. And all these major banks are currently eyeing XRP, which we could be looking at a historic supply shock. If it's 9 of the world's largest banks, look at it this way. If just 9 of the world's largest banks allocate 0.5% of their assets to XRP, we're roughly talking about $148 billion capital injection. Okay, now the question stands, how high could XRP go with it? Could this be the moment that pushes XRP past $10, $50, or maybe even $100? Let's break it all down. Make sure you click that subscribe button so you don't miss on updates, news, and stats like this. But first, let's go through the chart. Then we're going to do some news updates and start looking at some of these opportunities and try to calculate what that $148 billion in investment could do if these banks do that. But first, let's look at the chart, and we're going to look at Bitcoin real quick, just because we did see some consolidation. We also see that Bitcoin did find its new support roughly at 95K, which is still a beautiful thing to say. People are like, oh my God, we're crashing. No, dude, look at that. We've got a good support level here. We could even see it in the liquidation heat map, you guys. Within there, we have a very, very, very strong support at 95K, and then we are running into a resistance at roughly 96 and even 97K. So there's just a lot of liquidity hindering there, and we can also see that with XRP. XRP is moving way less than BTC. The catch is that because it's a smaller price and a smaller market cap, it will move in higher percentages depending on its push. But what we see here is we are actually making higher lows, right? And look, you can see that here. You can see that here. And we're doing it again. And lastly, one more time. So we are kind of getting these higher lows. On top of that too, we are basically making an upwards triangle. Here's the thing though, as you can see here, this would be its resistance point. So as long as we can beat this little area and we can get past that line, which is only a 2% gain for XRP, it's 100% doable. And technical analysis wise, we can see that RSI is a little bit high from its position. So we actually might be going down for just a bit to reload and catch back up. And let's say we do, then I'm going to say that our big support area is going to be here and here because we've tapped and touched here before. More importantly, if we make it down to here, it's going to be psychologically bad, because then the whole market will see it as a big bear turn, but that's okay. It is bound to happen sooner or later, which gives us a chance to reload and get back up to moving up. Now, right now at $2 and roughly 40 cents in that area, XRP is poised for some major moves in this year, with several key factors that are basically aligning in its favor. So as financial institutions, banks, and governments increasingly turn to blockchain for faster and more cost-effective cross-border payments, XRP right now is emerging as a leading solution. Now, this global cross-payment market is worth trillions of dollars. And if XRP captures even a fraction of this market, its value could and will raise significantly. We all know that, right? Right now, Ripple expanding its networks of partnerships with some of these top financial institutions will further solidify its role in the industry. And this growing possibility of an XRP ETF will attract institutional investors and guarantee drive billions in new capital into the market. But if we can get this regulatory clarity from a potential settlement in A, the Ripple versus SEC lawsuit, and then B, understanding what the United States government's going to classify it as, this could eliminate barriers to institutional adoption. This would also allow XRP to be freely traded on all major financial platforms. But the big question remains, how high can XRP actually go? Okay, now market analysis done by Steph is Crypto recently did suggest that a game-changing scenario. What if 9 of these world's largest banks allocated just 0.5% of their total assets to XRP. These banks, you guys, collectively control $29.74 trillion in assets. And even just a small allocation would lead it to a $148 billion investment in XRP. This would remove 64.66 billion XRP from circulation. And that's about 65% currently of the full liquid supply. Now, the sheer scale of this potential capital injection could actually create a severe shockwave, right? And this would drive XRP's price to unprecedented levels. Now, this accumulation phase is already reflected in the charts. We can see that right now, where XRP is showing a strong support anywhere between the $2.30 to $2.50 is where currently that resistance is supporting, and $3. If we can get an increased buy volume, that is going to push us past that. Also, you guys think about this. The increasing buy volume that's happening right now is basically suggesting that either whales or institutions may already be accumulating. Now, this positions XRP for a breakout beyond $3 into what I would call price discovery mode. Now, if you know that price discovery mode is going to be a good leg up, what you can do is use BTCC to trade. They actually do let you 500x. Let me say that again. They let us 500x. Look at that. 500x set leverage to XRP. We could short it right now, 500x. And even at a 1% gain, we would 5x our money. That's the value in being able to leverage. I have the link below. It's the top one in the description, you guys. Easiest way to make money when you're trading in crypto, especially if you're looking for a good exchange. I love them. Their fees are not bad at all. They're super freaking fast, and I love the 500x leverage opportunity, and we've convinced them to give a $10,000 trading bonus to boost your crypto journey. So use that link below, especially if you're trading. You're going to get low fees, fast execution, and actually top tier security. They've never had a hack, they've never had an issue, and you can trade so many pairs and tokenized assets. So do not miss out on the offer. I'll leave a top link below. But back to XRP. With XRP's total supply capped right now at $100 billion, removing such a large portion from circulation could literally push price dramatically higher. Now, according to ChatGPT's market analysis, a basic market cap increase from this influx could propel XRP to $4.60. Now, a supply squeeze combined with institutional FOMO, we could easily see it up to $10 to $20. And if XRP becomes a global banking standard, these long-term projections could easily place its price between $50 and $100. And you guys remember this, several factors will influence this trajectory. Now, this includes regulatory clarity, institutional demand, and retail investor momentum as the price continues to rise. Despite being a polarizing asset, the data does suggest that XRP could be on the verge of a historic breakout. Now, a settlement in the Ripple versus SEC case would easily clear up the way for institutional adoption, while then we've got increasing bank partnerships and a potential XRP ETF will fuel massive growth. Now, if all of these catalysts align, XRP will be one of the biggest winners of 2025 and beyond. But I want to know what you think. Could XRP really actually break past $10, $50, or even $100? Another question. Are banks secretly accumulating XRP and they're setting the stage for a massive supply shock? Discuss it in the comments below. Let me know what you guys are thinking. And one more thing, if you are trading meme coins or just DeFi, make sure you're prepared for taxes. BCM, my baby, the link is below. We simplify crypto taxes. We track your trades, calculate your gains and losses, and generate the reports you need from the DeFi side of crypto. We are filling up, and it's actually really cool, all the support we're getting. I appreciate all of you guys. So just make sure you use the link below because we're getting close. March is almost here. April's fully almost here. If you're a business, it's even different. So just be prepared. Do me one more favor. Click that like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for any of the latest crypto news and XRP, SHIB, and the general crypto market. And don't forget to let me know in the comments below, what do you think XRP's price could go to? All right. Until next time, everybody, stay informed, stay prepared, and please stay ahead. Peace out.